Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's eye makeup is perfect for glasses wearers. It's very beautiful and attractive. It has a Siren makeup vibe, but this eye makeup also looks stunning without glasses and suits all eye colors. The process is super easy, so if you'd like to try it out, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. Okay, so to start off, I'm using a single beige eyeshadow. This shade is super pretty. You can see the shade color clearly here. I'm using a fluffy brush, which they call a crisp brush, and I'm just sweeping the shadow all over my eyelid to make sure there are no harsh lines. I actually bought this shadow a while back and put it in my eyeshadow collection, but I can't find the packaging now. I did find a similar shade from another brand, and I will drop the details in the description section, so feel free to check it there. You can also use a cream colored eyeshadow or the same shade if you have it at home for this eye makeup look. Next, I'm using a black powder shadow and trying to create a winged eyeliner with an eyeliner brush. This brush is a bit fluffy, and while applying it gives a smoky effect that I really love. For this step, you can use any type of brush you're comfortable with for drawing winged eyeliner. I usually draw the eyeliner from the middle of my eyelid to the outer corner because it suits the shape of my eyes better. You can extend the eyeliner to the inner corner of your eyelid based on your preference. To ensure that the wing part of the eyeliner looks better, I use a small flat brush to set this area. This step may seem strange to you, but I use a pointed brush and shadow on the waterline of my eyelid instead of an eye pencil. I wouldn't recommend doing this with shadow if you have sensitive eyes. I usually do it and haven't had any issues, and I apply any shadow color I like in this area. But you can use a water pencil at this stage. Next, I use a small fluffy brush and apply black shadow to the lower lash line. I blend this area carefully with a sweeping motion to create a soft, smoky effect. This eye makeup is super easy and versatile. You can do it for a daily wear or special events. You can achieve this eye makeup which suits any eye color using just two simple shadow colors. To make this a step easier, gradually add the black shadow and blend it. Adding too much black shadow at once can make blending difficult, so take your time and add the shadow little by little. Our eyeshadow is done. To finish the look, I use an eyelash curler and mascara. If you want your lashes to look fuller in this makeup, you can use false lashes. I don't have a specific rule for applying mascara. When I apply it, I blink, which helps ensure that the mascara covers all parts of my lashes. I think that full false lashes can be uncomfortable for those who wear glasses, so I decided to use half false lashes that shape the ends of my lashes and give a beautiful Siren makeup vibe. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, or feel free to share it with your friends. If you're interested in makeup and beauty, I upload tutorial videos every week, so if you don't want to miss my future videos, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.